What's up guys? All good? My name is Nora. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the Wealth Infinitum before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end, so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Wealth Infinitum works. Wealth Infinitum is a comprehensive financial empowerment program designed to help individuals achieve financial success by addressing both practical financial strategies and personal mindset development. The program is built on the understanding that wealth creation isn't just about learning how to manage money, it's about changing the way you think about money and your financial potential. At the heart of Wealth Infinitum is the idea that mindset plays a critical role in determining financial outcomes. The program teaches users to identify and break free from limiting beliefs that might be sabotaging their ability to achieve financial success. Many people struggle with financial setbacks not because they don't know what to do, but because they have an unconscious negative relationship with money, often rooted in fear, guilt, or self-doubt. Wealth Infinitum addresses these issues head-on, helping participants adopt a more positive and empowered mindset. By teaching how to think of money as a tool for opportunity and growth rather than as a source of stress or insecurity, Wealth Infinitum helps individuals develop the mental framework necessary to make smarter financial decisions. The program consists of a series of structured modules that guide participants through various aspects of financial management. These lessons cover key areas such as budgeting, investing, saving, and the importance of building multiple income streams. Each module is designed to be actionable, ensuring that users can immediately apply what they've learned to their financial lives. Whether it's learning how to create a budget that works, understanding the basics of investing, or discovering new ways to generate passive income, Wealth Infinitum provides practical tools that can lead to tangible results. A significant focus of the program is on helping users create a diversified financial portfolio. Wealth Infinitum emphasizes that building multiple income streams is crucial for long-term financial security and wealth creation. In addition to traditional forms of investing, the program encourages participants to explore new opportunities and strategies for increasing their wealth in ways that go beyond simply saving. What sets Wealth Infinitum apart from other financial programs is its holistic approach. While many programs focus solely on technical financial skills, Wealth Infinitum also prioritizes personal development. By helping individuals build confidence and reshape their attitudes towards money, it fosters lasting financial change that goes beyond just the numbers. It's not just about knowing what to do with your money, it's about having the right mindset to make those actions successful.